everyone! Welcome back to my channel. I'm Alicia and today we're going to be changing my hair color. As you can see right now, my hair is like this blonde silverish color, and for the fall season I think I'm going to go for a more darker color, so I decided to go for denim blue. Yeah, I think I'm just tired of having light hair and just want to go darker for the colder season. So one thing I'm going to do before actually dyeing my hair is remove the leftover color I have here. So it looks pretty blonde right now, but there's actually a lot of pink hair dye left in my hair, and I just shampooed with purple shampoo. That's what made it gray. So I'm just going to take it out like that and have a clean palette to put the blue color. So to remove the hair color from my ends, I'm going to do the baking soda method. I first saw Nami Cho do this. So what she used is some purple shampoo. Mine's from Fanola No Yellow. This is super pigmented. And some baking soda, of course. Some dish soap. They recommend to use Dawn dish soap because I think it's like has really strong cleaning properties, but this is all I have, so I'll be using this. And you're also going to need some developer. It's recommended to use 10 volume, but I don't have any, so I'm going to be using 20 volume. I couldn't find any place where it specified how much you need, so I'm just going to eyeball it, I guess. So starting with the purple shampoo. Wow, it looks black. And then a 20 developer. I think I'll put the same amount as the shampoo. Ugh, I hate this consistency. And a tiny bit of dish soap. And then a tiny bit of baking soda. Okay. So here's how it looks like. It's like really liquidy. She said to apply it just like regular hair dye. So I'll just roughly section out my hair, I guess. Okay, let's start. Oh, it's so liquidy. This is so messy. Oh my god. Okay, so we're done. I completely coated my hair. I left out the roots because those don't have color in them right now. It's quite a mess, so beware if you try to do this method. I guess I'll wait for like 30 minutes, see how it goes, and if I still see some color, I'll go ahead and go for the full hour. Okay, so this is how my hair looks right now. I guess it faded a bit, but it still looks very gray. I think that's because of the purple shampoo, and I'm not sure if it actually took all of the color out. So I think I'm going to redo it, but this time instead of the purple shampoo, I'm going to use Head & Shoulders Anti-Dandruff Shampoo just because this is stronger. And it's not going to make my hair silver. So yeah, I'm just going to have to restart this. And I'm doing it on towel dried hair just because I don't want to dry my hair. It looks like this. Okay, so I just finished applying the second round of baking soda shampoo, and I think it's actually taking out the color. Like, I'm seeing some blonde throughout this, so I think it's going to work this time. I'm gonna wait 30 minutes and I'll be right back. Alright, so that actually worked. All the colors out of my hair. Just one little warning. This like fried my hair. Like this the next day. I had to give my hair a rest because it was so dry. I couldn't brush through it. When I would try to brush, I could hear it like breaking. So this morning, I just put some of my Fanola Bond Connector number 2 to sort of restore my hair. And I also put the Fanola Resurrecting Serum. And it feels a lot better. I can actually comb through it now, but it still feels a lot more dry than before, so just be careful. Okay, so now that I have a perfect palette for my next hair color, let's go on and mix the dyes. I actually have a lot of dyes I want to mix, So these are all the dyes I'm going to be using to make this denim blue color. Also going to make the roots a bit darker, just like that. I guess it'll make it look a bit more professional. And also because my roots are a bit more yellow than the rest of my hair, so that'll help and hide that. Okay, so first I'm going to put in some of this color conditioning mask in Silver Fox. It's like a dark gray color. And I have Manic in Blue Steel and in Shocking Blue. I'll put equal parts of both of these. Let's just mix that first. And I'm going to darken it for the roots with a bit of this natural black from Crazy Color. I'll put really just a little bit. Alright, and here's what my final color looks like. It's so dark. Let's get started. I'll do the back now. Okay, so I'm done with the roots. The color looks really nice so far. It's like a nice denim blue. So for the ends of my hair, I still have some bit of dye left. So I'm going to mix more of the Silver Fox and just make it a bit lighter. So here's how my second color looks like. See? It's a bit more silverish. Okay, so I'm done dyeing my hair. Really excited to see how it's going to look like. So I did the back. So yeah, I'm going to let this sit in my hair for like 20-30 minutes and then I'll be back with the results. Okay guys, you ready? 3, 2, 1. I love it! Oh my... It's so pretty! Like I'm looking at myself in the viewfinder and I feel like such a totally different person. Yeah, I really like the final color. It turned out a lot better than I expected. Yeah, I really do like the darker hair color on me better. And it's the perfect color for fall and also for the cold weather that's approaching. So yeah, this is so new. It's so much fun. I love it so much. I think I'm going to stay in like the dark range of hair colors because I'm feeling this. I love it so much. If you want to see more hair dyeing videos, I have another one where I dyed my hair pink, so you can watch that as well. So yeah, thank you so much for watching today's video, and see you all in my next video. Bye!